You know, after the fog lifted, it turned out to be a very hot day in Fort Worth, but I'm glad I went. The classic vintage airplanes that I look for in this series were all manufactured before 1946. That makes them somewhat rare. You don't normally see them at main airports around the country. So one of the challenges to making a documentary like the That They Might Fly Again series is to find interesting airplanes owned by interesting pilots. It's what I call the detective work of making these type of movies. Now, my greatest detective method so far is not a method at all, but a person, Marvin Hornbostel of Junction City, Kansas. When embarking on this project, I asked pilot friends of mine if they knew anyone who had a classic airplane. In Kansas, the name Marvin Hornbostel came up many times. Well, Mama didn't raise no fools, so I figured I would seek him out and see what he had to say. Well, I think I've set the scene, so let's go to his shop and meet one of America's top vintage plane restoration experts, Marvin Hornbostel.